Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add return or replacement policy on Horza seller account. To add a policy, click on My Policies button. As we can see, there are no any policies yet. So just click on Add a new return policy. Here enter a policy name. Now select policy type. And then select duration of the policy after date of delivery. And click on Submit button. As we can see, policy added successfully. To make any changes in policy, just click on Update or Edit button. After making changes, just click on Submit button and policy will be updated. To remove a policy, just click on Delete button of the policy and it will be deleted.